Hi everyone, we are back again with the fourth puzzle in today's additional of the newspaper of Wednesday, July the 15th, 2020. Yes, it's a binary puzzle, you can see. But what kind of binary puzzle is this? So let me count the boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there are 4 O's and 4 ones. The same with the column. We need in a column 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here and O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here and 1, there 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes. Well, we have 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yes. Let me see. Do we have a double O here? No. Do we have a double O here? No. Double 1 here. Oh. No. Hey, very strange. I cannot find. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. I'm stuck. 101. And this is different. 101. 101. No. 001. Do we have 001 here? 001. 100. Yes. This one is almost the same. Yes, we can compare. 0001111 0011 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Yeah, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and in a minute I will continue with the last Sudoku in this additional. It will be a tectonic one, so stay tuned. See you later, and bye bye for now.